Hello everyone, this is Paulina from Pencil and welcome to today's tutorial on how to use the formula editor in Pencil Spaces. You can easily add any of your equations using the pen tool, but you may not get the result that you're looking for. That is where Pencil's formula editor comes in handy. To access the formula editor, click on the sum icon on your toolbar. Once it opens, you'll see three different options. You can either add equations using your keyboard, LaTeX, or you can draw them. Keep in mind that using the keyboard only supports one-line equations, while LaTeX and drawing both support multi-line equations. Let's start off by adding an equation using the keyboard. First, click the box where it says type your equation. Then, use your keyboard to type any equation that you want. In this case, we'll just go with something really simple. Once you've typed out your equation, you can click anywhere to make changes to what you've written. Then once you've written your equation and made sure that everything is to your liking, click the Done button on the bottom right. Then click anywhere on the whiteboard to insert your equation. You can click on the equation to move it around and to access an additional toolbar where you can edit the size, the color, highlight color, and the layering options. If you want to edit your equation, just click on it again and change anything that you'd like. Next, let's go over how you can add equations using LaTeX. First, open up the formula editor and then navigate to the LaTeX button next to the keyboard. Then you can either type out your LaTeX code or copy and paste it from different sources. You can edit anything that you'd like, just like you would for the keyboard option. Once you're done, click the blue Done button and choose where you want to add your equation. Last, let's go over how you can draw your equations. First, open up the formula editor and then navigate to the draw option on the very right side. Then, draw anything that you'd like in the box. Now, once you've drawn your equation, you have the ability to either undo, redo, or clear the board. If you want to remove any specific item from the board, just scribble on top of it. As you can see, using the drawing tool does support multi-line equations. Now, once you're done, click the Done button at the bottom right and add your equation anywhere on the whiteboard. That is it for today's tutorial on how to add equations to your whiteboard in Pencil Spaces. If you have any questions about how to use the formula editor, feel free to comment them down below. Make sure to visit pencilspaces.com to start learning in real time. Thank you for watching.